Alright, in this video I'll be cleaning 3 fans, 2 different types. I've got some machine oil and some isopropyl alcohol, 99%, and some paper towels. It's really all you need for this job. I'm using sewing machine oil. I've also used 3-in-1 oils before. You just want a light oil and preferably one for machine parts. Things like WD-40 and degreasers are not things that you want to use for this application. So for this thermal take one, if you just peel the sticker back, you can see where the lubrication point is, which is the sleeve bearing. And I'm just going to put 1 or 2 drops of the sewing machine oil into the lubrication point, and then I'm going to give the fan a few spins to allow the oil to get pulled into the bearing and fully distributed around the bearing surfaces. Once I've given it a couple spins, I'll give it 1 or 2 more drops of oil, and then I'm just going to put it aside, maybe spin the fan blade. I don't know, it's addictive to spin those fan blades. And then I'm going to put that aside while I lubricate the other ones. I'm going to come back and then just wipe out any excess oil in a moment. So this is a different type of fan. Obviously I've already started the sticker on the back before, so I'm going to peel the sticker back, and this one's going to have a rubber sort of plug or gasket where the lubrication point or the sleeve bearing is. So I'm just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to pick that out. You can use whatever you want, a knife, a fork, whatever works. They're not really in there that tight. And then once that's out, you can see it's pretty much the same as the other fan, the thermal take that I did first. So just like the thermal take fan, 1 or 2 drops of oil into the lubrication point. Give the fan a spin so the oil distributes itself around the bearing and bearing surfaces. And you want to ensure that the oil gets fully distributed around the bearing. So again, add 1 or 2 more drops and give the fan a few more spins and set it aside. So now that I've lubricated the other fans, obviously you don't want the oil leaking out. So you don't want a huge amount of oil in there. And obviously if you get oil on the sticker, it's not going to work anymore. So I'll take out a little excess oil with the paper towel, and I'll put a little bit of rubbing alcohol into the cap, and I'm just going to clean where the sticker goes to give it a better sticking surface. So obviously I've gotten a little bit of oil on the plastic surface where the sticker goes. So I'll use the alcohol on that, and then I'll ensure that it is fully dried before putting the sticker back on. And there we go, just like that, the thermal take fan is complete. And it does sound better and ride smoother. So for this fan, exact same thing. Just going to take a little bit of paper towel, soak up all the excess oil so it doesn't come spilling out the backside of the fan, and clean up all the plastic where the sticker is going to go. And just like the last fan, quick dab of rubbing alcohol. You could use some other type of degreaser, that's fine. And ensure the back of the fan is free of oil so that the sticker sticks on and stays there. Obviously, drop the rubber cap back in place and take the sticker and put it back in place as well. And now that this one's all lubed up, just like the thermal take, it's running smoother and doesn't sound like it's grinding anymore. So I put the thermal take in the middle and the 2 other fans beside it. I've got this Be Quiet fan, that one's new so I didn't bother oiling it, and this Arctic fan is new as well. That one's up high because this is a CPU that does not have integrated graphic, and I haven't quite figured out how to get that 5th fan down low and use the GPU for graphics at the same time. So I'll turn on the power supply and boot up the computer, and right away you can see those 3 fans are running, so I didn't have to throw anything out, save some money. Obviously you don't want to spend $10 to $15 every time a fan burns out, because if you're running these 24 hours a day, you are going to have burnt out case fans for sure. Obviously they're blowing air and they are not making any grinding noises, and now they sound much better and smoother. Obviously they were spinning before, however they are spinning better now. And those 2 sort of clear plastic ones have some LEDs, so there you go. Anyway, Very quick, very easy, and doesn't take any special tools. It'll save you a few dollars. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.